Dude, this is insane how small this thing is. I can't believe it. I did open this up because I wasn't actually sure what this was. I forgot about it for a second. But then, you know, as I was unwrapping it, all I gotta say is, wow, check this out. Alright, so I've been collecting some Hot Wheels a little bit. I got some sweet ones. Some of the premiums, you know, some cool ones. And I feel like this is the reason why. This is amazing. I hope it drives like the videos I've been seeing, or even somewhat close, because I had one of those little turbo 76s and it sucked. I don't know, maybe somebody else is better with them, or you gotta really mod them up or something, but it wasn't what I was expecting. But this, check this out, guys. Look at how small this thing is. All right. Look at the wheels. That's crazy. Those are tiny. All right, this is what we're all here for, though. Look at this thing. Like, for real, this is perfect. This is the Hot Wheels. I wish I had one over here. I mean, I got plenty, so we'll be seeing them. But look at this thing. Adjustable. Dude, this thing is tiny. Oh my god. I do have to get a receiver gyro for this. I mean, I got 2 batteries because I don't know if that's just regular, but I was complaining it was taking so long, and they said they sent an extra battery. I said, okay, whatever. Comes with, looks like some tools, a tiny set of tools. 2 different sets. I think one's rear, some of them are rear and some of them are front. I could be wrong there. And then we have these little bad boys. Hopefully that's extra. Hopefully it's good to go. We'll see. Looks like it. Maybe another video on that. But look at that. Look at how tiny this thing is. It's crazy. All right. I'll let you know.